If WhatsApp is where your customers already message you, then voice calls should not live in a separate phone system, a personal mobile phone, or a spreadsheet of missed callbacks. Bao Chat turns WhatsApp Cloud API calling into a routed, measurable team workflow. The first advantage is speed. For an eligible official WhatsApp Cloud API number, Bao Chat can expose one enable calling action in the inbox settings. After your Cloud API prerequisites are ready, your team can move from setup to live routing in minutes. Pricing starts at just $15 per user license per month, making WhatsApp calling practical for small businesses, multi-location teams, and enterprise rollout pilots. When a customer calls your business on WhatsApp, the call appears inside Bao Chat with the customer conversation, assigned agent, and call controls. The agent is not guessing who called or why. The call is tied to the same context as messages, notes, campaigns, and follow-ups. That is where the product becomes operational. Route inbound WhatsApp calls by team, branch, geography, business hours, customer type, campaign source, priority, or fallback rule. Sales can get hot leads. Support can get existing customers. After-hours calls can create callback tasks or move to a controlled intake path. For outbound calling, the value is timing and trust. When a lead has just replied to a campaign, asked for pricing, or shared a requirement on WhatsApp, a follow-up call from the same WhatsApp business identity can feel far more familiar than an unknown international PSTN number. Use it where WhatsApp permissions and policy allow, and always keep the customer experience respectful. Bao Chat also helps calls stay in sync with campaigns. Segment your audience, send the right WhatsApp message, watch high-intent replies, then route calls to the team that can act immediately. Missed calls, answered calls, callbacks, and call outcomes can become part of the same reporting loop. For cross-border businesses, this can be a major advantage. Customers keep using WhatsApp, while your team avoids much of the complexity of international phone numbers, carrier routing, and country-by-country PSTN operations. You should still compare your actual costs, but WhatsApp calling can reduce friction and make global follow-up feel local. Here are useful rollout tips. Start with one Cloud API number and one clear use case. Define business hours before launch. Decide which calls go to sales, support, branches, or VIP agents. Create a no-answer policy. Track missed calls every day. And connect call outcomes back to campaigns, CRM, or tickets so voice does not become another blind spot. For larger teams, add AI carefully. Voice AI can capture intent, language, urgency, product interest, location, or callback preference before handing off to a human. The best setup is not automation for its own sake. It is faster routing, cleaner summaries, and fewer lost opportunities. Bao Chat makes WhatsApp Cloud API calling fast to launch, easy to route, and easier to measure. If you want customers to call you where they already talk to you, start with Bao Chat. Plans start at $15 per user license per month.